Buy an iPod power adapter. The iPod power adapter allows you to charge your iPod away from a computer, using a simple wall outlet. This means never again having to deal with computer speed slowing down as the iPod charges. Not only that, but also traveling with music becomes far easier. With an iPod power adapter, all you need is access to a motel wall outlet in order to maintain access to your entire music library. Functionality of the iPod power adapter. The iPod power adapter has two parts: the power adapter cube with either a USB or FireWire port, and the plug adapter that connects to a wall outlet. The power adapter can immediately determine the input power of the outlet and adjust accordingly. The iPod power adapter accepts any input power within a range of 100 to 240 V, 50 to 60 Hz, and 26 to 38 VA, encompassing the input power levels in a majority of the world's countries, but be on guard for the exceptions so as to protect your iPod. World travelers. For those who travel the world and do not want the customary AC plug to limit their iPod use, the World Travel Adapter Kit offers 6 different AC plug adapters, all of which are compatible with either FireWire or USB iPod power adapters, to allow for use in Japan, China, including Hong Kong, Korea, Australia, and all of North America and Europe. All you have to do is substitute the appropriate traveler plug adapter for the original plug adapter that came with the iPod power adapter. Where to buy? iPod power adapters can easily be bought in stores or online. The Apple Store is a smart place to begin any search for your iPod power adapter, since it clearly states each power adapter's compatibility with the various iPod models. All of the major retail electronics stores, and also gigantic stores like Walmart, sell iPod accessories as well. Compatibility. Though quite a few iPod models will be compatible with either FireWire or USB adapters, you'll want to pay close attention to the information pertaining to compatibility, which does vary based not only upon iPod model but also upon generation. For example, the iPod Shuffle is incompatible with a FireWire iPod power adapter. It requires USB. If you choose a FireWire iPod power adapter, you must separately buy the right cable. If you have a dock connector, you will need a dock connector to FireWire cable, while iPods without dock connectors will simply require a FireWire cable. Other brands. You can find iPod power adapters for less money from other brands as well. Belkin and Sonnet, for example, both make iPod power adapters. As always, make sure the power adapter will be compatible with your iPod model before purchasing. You can find these different brands in stores or by visiting brand stores online. A Google search for iPod power adapters will let you explore the options and compare prices before buying one. Shop around to find the best price when you buy iPod power adapters. Pay attention to compatibility and you will be pleased by how the iPod power adapter frees your iPod from the necessity of computer charging. Useful links: Wikipedia iPod information.